Yeah, it's so silent wordy. You said it also. Alright, wordy. Let's watch movie the like in Christmas prom. Senior prom. Tonight, you know what? The 2003 DVD on Santa Claus 2. That my favorite and Santa Claus in one. Yeah! It's so silent and watch the movie. Let's watch. Don't watch it! What? Me and Wordy Bird watch the movie. Yeah, you can go see the boss again. How would it in here? Because I'm the ghost. Alright, tell me. Tell me the one. Did a quickly walk there on THX? I know that the DVD and the Christmas Disney is so silent. What could you go watch it, see yourself? Alright, let's set the color, let's the color. Wait, what? Jump! Put the DVD in mail! Okay, the DVD in. The player, okay. Yeah, in this case, the trailers. Before we get back to the game, let's take a moment to say hi to our players. Alright. To the main menu. Alright, now play the movie. Ho ho ho, here you go. Wait a minute, what's that sound? Ah! Told you!
I'm a travel nurse and a pilot, so I am fierce and